Hey y'all, thanks for checking out Euclid Mining. So today we're setting up my KDBox Pro. We're setting it up on Poolflare. Now it's a little different than what the options are that come stock in the firmware. There are a couple options for pools you can choose. We'll be doing Poolflare, which we'll have to enter in our own stratum for that, for their mining pool. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. So real quick, Goldshell, bought it for about 280 bucks. Profitability right now is at 10-cent kilowatt hour is at 15 cents per day. It was up a lot higher. We had that FTX collapse and it went down pretty hard. But for the most part, it was going mildly sideways at 40, 50, even 60 cents profitability. So hopefully we can come back out of this dip. We'll get back to some of those numbers. Price really quick, 88 cents. And let's take a look at the mining pool. So these are the different pools you can choose from. There are a couple, like I said, that come stock on the miner. So let's go ahead and find our miner and start entering in some information. So I'm just going to go ahead and minimize this. And what I have here is Advanced Port Scanner. If you don't have it, I'll put a link in the description below. It's free, it's super easy to use, and I've been using it religiously. I'll be honest, Son of a Tech turned me onto this one, and I've just stuck with it. So let's let this run. Sometimes it takes about 60 seconds. And what you're looking for is anything with a blue icon is something that's active. Anything with the gray is inactive. And you're looking for something in this area that says HTTP or HTTPS, or no, excuse me, HTTP. So that one there, you can see that's my printer, but we're not going to that one. That one's the Bobcat miner. And we'll just keep going down till we'll come to them. Let's see. So that one is going to be the SC box that I have. And I believe this one is going to be mine. So let's click on that and see. Nope, that one is my SC box. Never mind. Let's let's go back up one to that one there. So this has got to be it. So here we are. So this is the box, KDBox Pro, and it comes default in Chinese. You just simply come here and choose English, and then you have to unlock your box. It comes default with the password 123456789, as it shows you right there. And we can unlock that. Now it's unlocked. It's saying to go ahead, and it wants you to change your password at some point. So if you go down to System, you can go to your current password, put that 123456789, and then change it to something more appropriate that you use. I recommend doing that for any of them. So for the miner, what we do is we come up here and we click Add. So here's where I was saying it does have some of other pools in here, Pool Mars, DX Pool, and F2 Pool. If we check out those, there's the Pool Mars, F2 Pool, and DX. So there they are right there. So you can choose from one of those preset, really easy to do. Just simply click on it. Like if you haven't seen how to do that, you can check out my other video for the SC box. I'll have a link probably right up over there at the end of the video for you. And then you can choose the default options. But we're going to use Poolflare today. So we simply click on Poolflare. It takes us to the Kadena page. If you just go to Poolflare, it only has the two options. So we'll click on the Kadena one. And in here, it tells you right here for what you want to choose. So I'm going to be choosing the US East. So we'll go across like that, and we'll hit Control C. And then we'll come over here. So if I was to choose one of these, I just simply click on it, and it automatically enters it in for you, whichever one you want to use. We're going to be putting our own in, so that's all we'll have to put in right there. Now the miner name is going to be your wallet, and there is no password, so just make up something, 12345, or something that you feel more comfortable with. Put anything you want realistically in there to an extent. It shouldn't be too long, but nonetheless, put your own in there. So let me go ahead and just grab my wallet. So I have a Zelcore wallet, and I'm just going to use that for my miner name, will be my wallet address. And then, like I said, for the password, put anything you want in there. And apply. So there it is. So it turned green. So it did connect, and we will come to Poolflare, and we will put the wallet address in here. can hear the miner starting to fire up a little bit. We can, when do I have that one? Let's check it out. So I'm just jumping in real quick because it took about 1.5 minutes for it to show up on the Goldshell firmware before I could see it hashing. And it took about 7, almost 8 minutes for it to start showing up over here on Poolflare. So just a little caution right there, all because you don't see a pop up, right off the bat. Give it a couple minutes. I just wanted to come back and finish this. Earlier, I would have stuck around, but I had a bunch of cooking to help out with today. It's Thanksgiving today. Happy Thanksgiving to you all. Hope you're stuffing your faces. I know I just did. I am stuffed like to here, and I still got to get down there on that apple pie. So listen, if the video helped, definitely give me a thumbs up. If you want to watch the one where I set up the Goldshell SC box, it's going to be up over there. Of course, if you haven't subscribed, I don't know why you haven't, but if you haven't, that button's right over there. Thumbs up always help the channel. Appreciate every one of you. Happy Thanksgiving. I'll see y'all next time.